everybody, we are currently at CVS. I'm ready to go inside and get some deals. Again, sorry you guys, I'm grabbing my stuff. My CRTs this week sucked. It sucked this week, so I've hardly got any CRTs, which is fine, but we're gonna try to work with what we got, get a couple good deals, and just have fun shopping. So let's go inside and save some money. So here we have some General Mills cereal for $1.99. Now I currently have $1 off of 2 digital coupon that I am going to use. I'll just end up paying just $2.98, but then there's an Ibotta deal that does end soon where I'll get 50 cents back times 2, so I'll get $1 back with Ibotta, making both of these just $1.98 or 99 cents each. So here we have the paparazzi on sale this week, 2 for $5. You would pay $5 for it, but then you get a $4 extra care buck back, making them just $1. So now the thing is, I need to figure out what my daughter would like for this week's color of nail polish. So this is what I'm gonna get for my free beauty gift for August. My store is sold out of everything that's the 3 options that I wanted. My toothpaste is gone, the two-tone is gone, and then I was looking at getting these wedges, they're gone. So this is my freebie of the month. So here's a Glycerna deal if you guys want to go ahead and do this. My store is sold out of the ones that are $5.99, but these are $6.79. Now we currently have a $3 off digital coupon, plus we received a $3 off insert coupon. You guys would just end up paying, sorry, it just disappeared on me. You'll end up just paying $7.58, but then you get a $5 extra care buck when you purchase the 2, making them $2.58 or $1.29 each. Now if you do the ones that are $5.99, you can do that. Take the $6 off, you'd pay $5.98, get that $5 extra care buck back, making these 98 cents or 49 cents each, which is a way better deal if you want to go ahead and do that. So hey everybody, I am back from CVS. It's kind of a fail today, but that's okay. I actually got some cereal. I wanted to get the Honey Nut Cheerios, but that's not on sale. And I get a kick how they want $6.99 for a box of cereal. Like, who pays that price? Like, honestly, I know there are people that do pay that price, and that's ridiculous. But anyways, they had the General Mills cereal for $1.99. Now, I did have $1 off of 2 digital coupon that I used. So I ended up doing that. You would pay, why did I not write this down? You would pay $2.98, but then there's an Ibotta deal that ends soon where I got 50 cents back times 2, so I got $1 back, making it $1.98. Now, I don't know why I did this, but now Ibotta makes you link your CVS account to your Ibotta account. So what I had to do is enter my phone number and my email that I have connected to CVS, and it linked it. And then all of a sudden, by the time I get back to my car, like I checked out and got to my car, I already got my $1 back from Ibotta, so you get it instantly. I know some people like Walmart and Target, you can do that, but for a while there, I felt like it took a while to link my account, and I didn't like that. But I'm okay with CVS because I don't do as many Ibotta deals, but just giving you guys a heads up. Yeah, and then so I tried to redeem a gift card to use for my payment, and CVS isn't available on Ibotta. Now it does fluctuate, sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not, but that is okay. So I was gonna get that, and then there's a cup. I wanted to do the free beauty deal, but my store was sold out of everything that I wanted to get, so I just ended up just getting some of the body wash. This was $2.09. I got it for free for the August beauty for spending so much, so I got that. Wasn't super excited for it, but that is okay. So I needed some new mascara, and all my mascara is packed away that I've gotten, and I don't like some of the CoverGirl stuff that I've gotten, so I ended up getting this one. I got the So Fierce Rebel mascara. I'm gonna try this because this is something I want to try. And then I just got a 4-count eyeshadow. Now I did have a 40% off, so I plan to use my 40% off of this. So this was $10.99, and then I used that 40% off coupon, and this was $9.49. And I ended up using that $4 off CRT that we had from last week. I paid $12.08, but then you get a $5 extra care buck when you buy 2, making it $7.08. Now the reason why I did this is because I had to spend $40 and get $8 off, and there really wasn't anything else that I wanted to get, so that's the reason why I got more of a higher end thing, but that's okay, you know. you can't always be perfect all the time. And then I just decided to go and get this. I did not have the 3 off of 2 digital coupon that was advertised in the ad. I did not have it. I really wanted to do that deal because I had a 3 off of 18 CRT, but I couldn't do it because I didn't have that digital coupon, so I'm not getting it. But these were 2 for $7.98, and I used that 7 off of 2 digital coupon, making these just 98 cents. And then I got 2 of the paparazzi nail polishes. These are 2 for $5. You pay $5 for it, but then you get a $4 extra care buck back, making them just $1.50. My daughter is into nail polish. She's only 3, but she is hardcore into nail polish right now. And it comes off so fast. Like, I don't know if it's just because her nails are not like fully hardened, but she just loves nail polish. And I think this blue one kind of reminds me of Frozen because it's got the glitter stuff in it, so she's probably going to want to wear that right away. So my total came to $19.32. I didn't use any extra care bucks because I did use my 40% off coupon, and it does fluctuate. So $19.32, but I did receive $9 back, which I'm fine with because I want to build up more extra care bucks. Anyways, I barely have any anyways. And then I did receive that $1 I bought a rebate right away. So my grand total came to $9.32 for 9 items, or just $1.03 each. So not the greatest haul. CVS is a hit or miss sometimes, and sometimes it's great. Like last week it was awesome for me. This week it kind of sucks, but I am okay with that. But that is my haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and hopefully there'll be some better deals. Hopefully we get some CRTs. Like, it just sucks. I don't know if they're just testing things out to see maybe if the couponers died down or all that. It's hard to say. It's hard to say. I just hope it's not the CRT apocalypse like we had before. So make sure you guys follow me for more deals, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.